Welcome to Understand the Math. In this problem, we're given a 2 by 2 matrix A, and we're given a transformation from R2 to R2 that's defined as T of X is equal to A times X. We're asked to find the image under T of X, and we're given that X is a vector 3 minus 5. The first thing that we need to understand is what it means when they say the image under T of X. The image under T of X is just defined as T of X or A times X. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to find T of X, and we're going to multiply A times X. Let's go ahead and do that. Our T of X is equal to A times X. Our matrix A from above is 1, 4, 3, 6. And then we multiply this by our vector X that we're given, 3 minus 5. And we get 3 minus 15 in our first component, and then 12 minus 30 in our second component. And this gives us that T of X is equal to minus 12 minus 18. So the vector minus 12 minus 18 is the image under T of X.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.